into the feature which is ability to schedule appointments related to fitness consultation, diet counseling, or tour around the club. So we do have two types of appointment bookings, which is the paid services and the other is for free. So what we are looking into is the paid ones, which is fitness consultation. So we can configure the appointments based on what requirement that the club has. For example, if it's a fitness consultation that needs to be booked, so it's just simple. You just have to come into schedule, click on fitness calendar, click on book, and select the name of the member whose appointment you have to book. So you select the name, and then later on, the purpose that we have over here, you can click on it and you will get all the purposes that are there listed, which is being configured, which we have to book for the member, whether it is fitness consultation, diet counseling, or personal training. So these are the paid services wherein the member should have a valid membership active, then only the appointment can be booked. So let's say fitness consultation is the one that we need to book for. Uh, this is where we get to see the levels. If you have different types of levels, you want to have it implemented in the configuration, we can do that. Like for example, for personal training, we can have level 1, level 2, or silver, bronze, gold, platinum. So that is the types that we can add in. Then appointment type, which is either physical or virtual. So obviously it will be physical, meaning the member will be visiting in the club for the appointment. We schedule the trainer's name will be based on whatever the appointment that we are scheduling it for. So let's say this is the name that we are scheduling it with, and the timing, let's say it's, you can schedule it pre-booking the appointments, or you can schedule it for the same day. So let's say I'm scheduling it for today, and it's, let's say, this is the time that the client will be coming in for the appointment, and we just have to click on create appointment. If you see this message that pops up is basically the availability feature that we also have. We can set this based on the staff's availability. So the appointment booking that happens can be based on what the trainer, whenever the trainer is available. So we can supersede this by clicking on create appointment. You will get a pop-up which will say trainer unavailable. Do you still want to proceed? You just have to click on yes, and the appointment gets created. So this is how we can schedule the trainers. I mean the appointment, which is related to fitness consultations, or if you want it for diet counseling. So these are the steps that you can follow. Thank you.